Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy. So I just get the $12, I think it's $15 now for the small bag. I am thinking I'm just going to go ahead and cancel this because I found I'm really not using the small samples. You know, instead of using a sample of toner, I go out to, Walmart and I buy, a big size toner, and then these samples are just kind of like not being used. You know what I mean? I just don't find myself reaching for them. So I went ahead and I'm getting Ice Cream Beauty box back. I do miss the box. I used to get the bag and the box. So I'm going to be getting that back, just the box. I'm not getting the bag as well. And that I'm going to cancel this. It's just not worth it to me. But I did put a couple extras, add-ons, onto my Ipsy this month. So I did get an eyeshadow palette, Lucky Chick. And this is a Daydreams palette, is what it's called. And it was $3.50. Both of these palettes that I'm going to show you were both $3.50. That's the only reason I would get them as add-ons. So it's really tiny. Just a really tiny eyeshadow palette there. It did not come with any sort of color protector thing that I can see. So there's that palette. It's the Daydreams palette. Then I've got this palette here. Go ahead and open this one up. Let's see, this one's kind of harder to open for some reason. Okay, this is In Rio Love by Trend Beauty. Let's check this out. Okay, this one is a little prettier. In my opinion. It does have a mirror, and it did come with a color saver thingamajiggy. So very pretty. I really like this color here. Let's see. That's this color here. You know what I'm really looking forward to is getting the Ice Cream Beauty box back and going through and hopefully getting some of the multi-chrome eyeshadow things again. I really used to enjoy those. I can't really seem to be getting a very good swatch here with that color. I don't know. I can't barely even see it on my, it's not flaky skin, but it's, what do they call it? Crepey. I think that's the word I'm looking for. On my crepey skin, my old lady crepey skin. So I'm not really getting a good swatch on that, but it's a pretty color. Pretty palette, I think. All right, so let's get on with the beauty bag. So it did come with a card showing what I received, which is always nice. The bag is pretty cute. I did not care for the bag last month. I did send that on its way to Favorites with Laura, along with the giveaway that she won, which was some eyeliner pencils. She was a little confused because on the eyeliner pencils, it actually says they're lip liners. And when I won this huge thing of eyeliner pencils from Fishland on Temu, and when I received them, they all said, lip liners. I'm like, what? So I went to the website and it said lip liner / eyeliner, So I was happy. But when Favorites with Laura, when Laura opened it and saw that they all said lip liners, she's like, oops, I thought these were eyeliners. So I had to explain to her, yes, they are eyeliners. But anyway, I sent the last month's bag to her. I just didn't care for it. I hope she cares for it. I don't like to throw things at people just because I don't like them, because, maybe she wouldn't like it. I don't know. But here is an eyeliner. This is, says this revolutionary gel eyeliner is way ahead of its time. Not only does the smooth formula glide on effortlessly to inhalable All right. Glide on effortlessly to enhance your eyes, but the multi-chromatic green pencil, yay! All right. It also transforms the different shades depending on the lighting. All right, so it says it's green, and you know, it shows that little green color there. Let me go ahead and open this up if I can. Yes, I found right away where to open this up. So I'm wearing the shirt that I got from Temu, and one of the many, and I do like it, but the problem is it's a little kind of not really form-fitting, but more form-fitting than what I would like. I like my shirts to be kind of loose so they don't show any bumps and, you know, anything else, you know. So I like it, but it's not one of my favorites. I do like the style. I love the color. All right, let's get this open. So here it is. Just swatch it here. Ugh, look at the way it's swatched. It's all broken. I did that poorly. Okay. That's pretty. I like that. Kind of like well, in the color I see, it's like a blue-green sort of swatch. Swatch? Shift. That's what I meant. All right. So we got that, an eyeliner, and it says it's a $20 eyeliner. That well paid for my box. Then I've got this Sun-Kissed Baked Opaline highlighter by Orza. I don't know how to say it. And this is, it says Craving an Ethereal Lit from Within Glow. This baked highlighter is here to impress you with its warm white gold hue and blendable formula. Blah, 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 blah. I'm not going to read it all. Let's check out the color. I don't know. I don't usually use highlighters. Don't know if you could tell. But let's check it out. I don't wear a whole lot of makeup, or at least I try not to where it's really being, you know, to where it looks like I wear a lot of makeup. I do tend to wear a lot of blush though, because without it, I just look like I'm the Walking Dead, very pale. So let's check this out. But as for like other things like highlighters and stuff, I usually don't really use them all that much. So here's the color. It is sealed. I think I'm going to leave it like that. No particular reason. So obviously that's just a small sample. They said the full size, I guess, is $29. So I had a giveaway for this purse. Winner did not watch my videos, so did not find out they won. So I'm going to draw another winner. Today is Monday. Geez, I wish I could remember the date. But anyway, I'm going to post it today. So on Monday, January, 13th? I don't know. Anyway, you have until Wednesday to get back to me if you're the winner, either through Instagram or email, and they are both in my description box. When the winner is chosen, please, in my comments down below, if you want to congratulate the winner, that's fine, but please do not mention the winner's name, because I would like everyone to watch the video. That would be nice. And, yeah. So you have to live in the United States. And so I'm going to go ahead and pull a name, and we will go from there. If you are the winner, please comment in the comments down below, and then reach out to me through email or Instagram. Joyce Cook. Joyce, you have won this purse. So you have till Wednesday to get back to me. Otherwise, I will pull another winner. Okay, so Joyce Cook. Congratulations, Joyce. So please get a hold of me. All right, so moving on. We also received this by Toy Factory. And this is a Ultra Set setting powder in translucent. I usually give these away, but I don't know. This one, I might keep this. It kind of looks pretty in the picture, so let's check it out. Just a little translucent powder, and I don't usually use translucent powder, so I'm like ripping the box. So if I do decide to give it away, the box is all ripped up. Oops. All right. So it says Ultra Set. And it's got one of these little doodads on it. Let's go ahead and take that off because apparently I guess I'm going to keep this since I already went ahead and ripped the box to pieces. All right, so here it is here. It's just a translucent powder. I think most of us have seen a translucent powder before. So I'm going to go ahead and, now that I opened it up and everything, I'm just going to close it right back up. All right, so we got that. And then I got two more products. I got a Kate Somerville Exfoliate. It's always nice to have. And an eye cream by Verify. So, you know, the samples in this month were really good. They really were. I do like the eyeliner, you know, the translucent powder, you know, the exfoliate and the eye stuff. I did add on this palette, and I added on this palette as well. And I am going to have a giveaway pretty soon in one of my videos. It'll probably be a product review video, but I'm going to be giving these two things away, plus some more eyeliners slash lip liners since I have a ton of them. And so keep an eye out for the video where you will see I will be giving these away, okay? It's going to be an upcoming product review. I have a product review of this that I'm going to be doing pretty soon. It is a vacuum and an air thing where you blow air and you can also vacuum up stuff. So I'm going to be doing a product review of this, and then of a light. It's just a little like a light that comes on when you walk by it, you know, one of those kind of lighting things. I think I'm going to be putting that up in my mirror, and then you know, that will be coming up as well for another product review. All right, so again, please just congratulate the winner if you want, but don't use her name. And the winner has until Wednesday to get back to me. And again, if she doesn't get back to me, I'll be drawing another winner in a random video. I want to get rid of this purse, and then I still have 2 more giveaways out there that are still open because I haven't drawn any winners yet. One's for jewelry and the other one is for another bag. So yeah, just to let you know, I don't want to pull any more winners until I can, you know, at least ship one of these things out. All right, everyone. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And everyone have a great day. Bye.